Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good morning, students. Assalamu alaikum. This is Ahtesham, your mathematics teacher. So far, we have studied the trigonometric ratios for the three trigonometric ratios that are Swakato, means that are sine, tangent, and cos, and the ratios and their uses, and the applications as well, except the word problems. So today, I'm gonna explain you the rest of the conditions and examples, even in the book and from the past papers as well. So for instance, we are going to explain the learning objectives as well from this chapter. This is chapter number 11 from book 2. You have this in your syllabus. This is we have done so far the explain what trigonometric ratios of acute angles are. Do you know the acute angles? Acute angles are the angles that are below the 90 degree. जो angles 90 degree से कम होते हैं, या वो triangles जहाँ 90 degree से कम का angle हो, वो कहलाते हैं acute angles. ओके तो हम ये सारा काम कर चुके हैं. 20 डिग्री, 70 डिग्री, 80 डिग्री, हम ये सारे एंगल्स पे काम कर रहे हैं और हम इनके काफ़ी सारे क्वेश्चन भी सॉल्व कर चुके हैं. फाइंड द अननोन साइड्स एंड द एंगल्स इन राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल्स. बिल्कुल, हमने राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल्स भी देख लिए, हमने उनको भी सॉल्व किया. नाउ अप्लाई द ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियोज टू सॉल्व द प्रॉब्लम्स इन रियल वर्ल्ड कॉन्टेक्स्ट. मीन्स वर्ल्ड प्रॉब्लम्स बाकी रह गई हैं इस टॉपिक से. ठीक है, चैप्टर नंबर 11 ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियोज, बुक 2. अब देखते हैं कि वो वर्ड प्रॉब्लम क्या है एंड हाउ कैन वी एक्सप्लेन दीज. yes please, this is example number 8, as you can see, and it is a type of a word problem. Okay, from the book I'm giving you because it's an example. So they are saying a point A on the level ground is 38 meters. Okay, means the base is of 38 meters. Away from the foot F, means the distance between the A and F is 38 meters. Okay, of a building TF, given that AT makes an angle of 33 degree with the horizontal, calculate the height of the building. So angle हमें मिल गया A पर, जो कि मिल रहा है 33 डिग्री का. Okay, we know the length from A to F, that is 38 meter. Okay, and they are asking us to find the length, the height of the building, that is T and F, T to F. So the line that is opposite to the given angle is known as opposite line. So opposite upon adjacent, we need to find opposite upon adjacent, that is tangent. Is it clear? Am I right? So the given angle is 33. So we can use tangent 33 is equals to opposite upon adjacent, that is TF upon 38. Okay, so now let's move to a solution. Yes, as I said, it is tangent 33 is equals to TF upon 38. 38 is in division. On the other side it will be in multiplication, so taking it to a left hand side it will be in multiplication. That is 38 multiplied by tan 33. You already know how to calculate the value of tan 33. Just put the value and multiply with 38, you will get your answer. So the height of the building becomes 24.7. This was a very suitable and very easy example related to the word problem from the trigonometric ratios. And believe me, according to me, as compared to the numericals, word problems are more easier as compared to the figure based question or the questions. Okay, so let's move further for the rest of the parts. Yes, here's another figure. You can see the height of the tree, that is TB, is 13 meter, and the distance from point A to B is 24 meters. And they are asking us to find the angle from A to tree. Means if you want to see at the top of the tree, what will be the height? It's a practice question, and you have to do that because it will emphasize you. It will make your base strong in order to solve the exercise questions and the past paper questions as well. Okay, so a tree TB is 13 meter tall. Given that a point A on level ground is 24 meters away from the foot B. So find the angle TAB, or whenever you find an angle, so always consider it that the value or the name is in the middle is your angle. That is like angle TAB. So A is in the middle. So that is why we can say the A is the angle we need to find. Okay. So how will we solve it? Let me just tell you. Wait for a while. Yes, according to question, we know the perpendicular, that is opposite, because the line that is opposite to the angle is 13 meters, that is opposite and adjacent. It is opposite and adjacent. It is the hypotenuse because it is opposite to the 90 degree. So by using this method, we can say that we have opposite and we have adjacent. So this suits with the property of tangent, opposite upon adjacent. Okay, so tangent, we do not know the angle, so it's x degree is equals to opposite upon adjacent. Tangent, we need to find the angle. The line of opposite is 13 meters, the line of adjacent is 24 meters. Okay, and what can we do now? We need to find the angle. This is a new thing, we need to find the angle. So leaving angle on this side, taking it to the right hand side, it will become the inverse. What will it become? It will become the inverse of tangent. Inverse of tangent with 13 upon 24. Such type of questions are given in paper 2 because calculator is used, and that is very mandatory for this question. Okay, so how do you calculate tangent inverse? Now see the calculator please. We already know the sine, cos and tan are in this line. Okay, leaving the pen, grabbing the pencil, the finger with this shift button. This shift button indicates that the shift is pressed. You can see the S right over here. Okay, you can see the S, that means shift is pressed, and then you will press tan, so it will become inverse. Okay, is it clear? The value is 13 upon 24. So 13 divided by 24, closing the bracket, and is equals to, yes, we have the value, that is 28.44292.862. I'm gonna write the value, that is 28.44292.862. Now it's a very huge value, as you can see. So how can you summarize, how can you write it in a short form? That is known as rounding of the data. So by making it to the 2 decimal place, that will be quite sufficient, because that is 2, so 2 is less than 5, that will become 0. So your answer will be 28.44 up to 2 decimal place. This is the required solution for finding the angle. You got it? How to take an inverse? Whenever you are supposed to find an angle, you should take an inverse. Is it clear? Yes, taking it another example, as you can see, there are 2 triangles, or I can say 3 triangles easily. So they are saying that there is a building with RHS. We need to find the height of this building. Okay, RS, that is RS, we need to find. So how can you find the height of this? As you can see, it's 32 is given, and it's 22.4 is given. 32 is there. If it is 32, HS will also be 32. Am I right? So we can easily say that if it is 32 and 22.4, we can easily find the length of this line. Am I right or not? Okay. So as you can see, opposite to the line and adjacent, that is 90 degree, opposite and adjacent, so tangent 22.4 can be used. So using tangent 22.4 degree is equals to 32 upon PH, that is P and H. Clear? So taking it to the right hand side and to the below, that is becomes PH is equals to 32 upon tangent 24. By solving this, that is very simple, you can see easily, you can do that easily. The PH becomes 77.64 meters. Is it clear? PH में मालूम हो गया. Now we know the PH. The length of PH is 77.64. 77.64. We know the angle. We know the length of this line. Can you find this line? Easily. No problem, because it is again tangent 40.7 RH upon 77.64. किस तरह से? Tangent 40.7 is equals to opposite upon adjacent. Opposite is 77.64 and adjacent is adjacent is RH upon 76.4. Okay, so it is RH upon 77.64, adjacent, opposite upon adjacent. Now solving this, you can easily say RH is equals to 66.6 You will do it by yourself. It's so simple. So as you can see, it's RH and HS. RH and HS. HS is 32. RH is 66.78. So by adding these two, RH plus HS, we have RS. Okay, RH is 66.78. According to question, 32 is HS plus 32. We have RS is equals to 98.8 meters. This is how you can solve, and this is the height of the building. Easy. Is it so simple? You got it? इन्वर्स आपको कराता है इस तरीके से. इन्वर्स आपको समझ में बहुत अच्छे से आया होगा. कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो, you can ask me in class group, and the rest of the things is this is also a sort of word problem which I explained you people, and I hope you will get it properly. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.